Hey, guess what, man? I get the greatest people here from Maui, all my friends, but hey! So who's the greatest chef?
The man in the
pan! We got the house mud girls. I got Joy over here and Lisa. You like the man with the pan?
Yes.
Okay, let's give a big shout to the man in the pan. Ah! Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm gonna do something really exciting. You know, soybeans in the pot. This thing is really good for you. So I bought some frozen soybeans, 3 cups of soybeans. Okay, I just put it on the hot water and just let it sit. Put on my stove. You know, soybeans is really good for you. First, a teaspoon of olive oil. Okay, gonna add on 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay. Then I add on 2 tablespoons of shoyu. I'm gonna do it like kind of Szechuan style, so it's gonna be a little bit hot, okay? And I put about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, okay? And I put in about and maybe half teaspoon of flakes. You don't want it to be too hot, okay? And I'm gonna mix it all up just like this, okay? And in there, I got about 3 cups of soybeans. Okay. And the soybeans again is pre-cooked, and I mix it all around. Just gonna move it around just like this. Now just before it's done, you put in about 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Give it a real Szechuan taste. Kind of let it go and it's going to get sticky and thick. See, when you eat the soybeans, the flavor of the soybeans is on the outside of the beans, it's on the shell. So when you lick it, and that's the reason why I like to eat it with the shell, because the flavor is out there. When you lick it, the flavor is going to be there. Okay, I think it's just about done. Turn up the fire. Hot. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. In my pan. Thing smells good. But it looks good. It smells good. But let's see how it tastes. Mmm! Oh, it's really good. Mmm! It's really good. So until next week, we'll see you on the man and the pan. Aloha. Baga ono.